again. Let's unbox. Let's see what's inside in the box na small box. Let's see what's the design of this little cake. No, this is for our Andrea. See, it's her favorite color, purple. Andrea, happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! You belong to the zoo with a monkey and a donkey and a big kangaroo. Enjoy your day, okay? Let's see what's inside now. Wait. Of course, her favorite color too, no? To make her special today, no? Ta-da! I love cake. Let's see. Wait, no? I love cake, no? Especially to this store, no? It's not that too sweet, no? And it's cheap, no? Than the other store. Tarawat. Look! So nice! Oh, wow! Looks yummy too. Really, it's yummy, guys. No? See? How cute it is. Huh? Just like our Andrea. No? Yeah. Happy 12th birthday, Andrea. Thank you for being a good girl, no? Good girl, but sometimes not. Char. Okay? Let's put candle in the middle. Yeah, so nice. Happy birthday, Andrea. Wishing you a good health, no? And more birthdays to come. Enjoy, and may the good Lord bless you and keep you always, and grant you your heart's desire. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. You belong to the zoo with the monkey and the donkey. With a big kangaroo. Happy birthday. Wish. Happy birthday, Andrea. Enjoy.